So the warning light tells me that my brake light or brake lamp on the left side is broken. So the brake lamp is right in here. So I'll just open the boot. And to replace the bulb, we just have to open up that panel and we'll access where the lamp is. So after we take off this panel, the bulb or the back of the bulb is right here. It's really hard to see. So that white thing there, that's where the light bulb is. So once you've turned it this way, it'll just come out, and there's the bulb right there. So we just have to push in and twist and it comes out. So there's the broken light bulb. So we just put a new one in now. So I've pushed it in, so it's all flush now. I just have to turn, and that's it. It's locked in now, and that's the left side, and I'll show you what the right side looks like. So this is the right side. We just get to the back, open the panel the way we did on the other side. So this one is a little bit more tight because of this thing here, but essentially it's the same. Back of the bulb is there. You can just see it there, that white thing there.